If you visit the Android developers website, you will see a lot of references to material design. Now, what exactly is material design? This is a comprehensive set of rules and guidelines for designing user interfaces, including concentrating on the visual, the motion, and the interaction aspects of the user interface design. This set of rules are designed to be applicable across multiple devices and multiple platforms, including the web and mobile devices. Now, in this course, we can't get into the entirety of material design aspects, but we will look at a few elements of material design that I have incorporated into the chat client colors example that you just saw earlier. Comprehensive support for material design features are available on Android 5.0 and higher platforms. However, not all of them can be backported to the earlier versions of Android. Some features are supported on the previous platforms through the version 7 support libraries, and indeed in the chat client example that we saw, we are making use of the support libraries to backport some of those features to be available for earlier platforms. So we have already seen that we are using the app compact activity for designing the chat client application. Material design styles are available for some of the widgets using the app compact theme that is available in the with the version 7 support libraries. So we will see the use of that for our UI design. In addition, we can use some of the new widgets like the recycler view and the card view and toolbar in our application. So getting back to our chat client example, you will see that on the user interface, I have applied the app compact theme. So if you visit the style.xml file, you will see me using the app compact theme there. And then we also incorporated two new UI widgets, the toolbar and the recycler view, in redesigning the user interface. In particular, let's quickly run through the use of the color palette for supporting various colors on the user interface. So these are declared in the colors.xml file and the styles.xml file that we have visited in the exercise. You will see me declaring the color primary dark, text color primary, and so on to specify various colors that we use on the user interface. Jumping quickly to the colors.xml file, you see me declaring various colors in this XML file here. Now, switching to styles.xml, you see me using those colors that I declared to specify the various colors to be used on the user interface. So you can see me declaring the color primary dark, and the color accent in the user interface. In addition, the app theme is declared to use the app compact light with no action bar here. The reason we are using no action bar as the theme is because we're going to use the toolbar on the user interface for acting as the action bar. The other aspect you saw me using in the chat client application is the recycler view widget. The recycler view widget is a lot more comprehensive widget than the list view that we have been using earlier. It provides a lot of interesting features for supporting large data sets. And the way the recycler view is constructed is that the recycler view is supported through the layout manager. We saw the use of the layout manager in the code. And in particular, we use the linear layout manager. We can also use the recycler view for grid layout and staggered grid layout manager also. Now, the layout manager takes the help of the adapter. We implemented the adapter using the recycler view adapter. So we implemented a subclass of the recycler view adapter in our code, and that's how we supported the recycler view. The adapter was taking the data from the messages dataset and constructing the various elements of the recycler view from this dataset. Quickly visiting the code, you will see that we have done this in the myAdapter.java file, where we subclassed the recycler view adapter and then constructed the various pieces of code here to support the display of the messages inside the recycler view widget. Finally, we review the toolbar which we have used in the example. So the toolbar is a generalization of the action bar, and the toolbar is designed to act as a view and can be included anywhere on your user interface. Earlier, the action bar had a fixed location at the top of the screen. Toolbar generalizes this and also allows the use of animations that come with the material design approach. And the toolbar can be set up to act like the action bar by using the set support action bar method. And this is indeed what we used in our code for declaring the toolbar to act as an action bar. So with that, we complete the discussion on the chat client colors. We will move on to the next exercise where we will understand the use of 2D graphics with Canvas and how we can draw items onto the canvas and then display them in the user interface.